Hello, and welcome to Tiny Takes with Learning Technology, Student Takes Edition. On this episode of Tiny Takes, we will look at how to organize your OneDrive by renaming files and creating folders. Start by going to the SSO portal and finding Microsoft 365, or by clicking on the CCISD folder in your browser favorites bar and locating Microsoft 365 link. You will need to log in using your CCISD username and password. Once you have Microsoft 365 open, you can locate OneDrive by clicking on the waffle in the top left corner of your screen and selecting OneDrive. OneDrive's icon is a blue cloud. Click on the icon to open OneDrive. Your OneDrive home screen will show you a list of recently used files and provide a menu of options on the left for navigation. Take note of your file names. Are you able to easily identify what the file contains by its name? If your file names are random letters or simply named File 1 or Project 1, you may need to consider renaming your files for easy identification and organization. You can easily rename your files by right-clicking on the file that you would like to rename, choosing Rename from the menu and typing the new, more specific name of what that file contains. For example, if it is a PowerPoint about fractions, you may want to include the subject, math in this case, and the word fraction in the file name. This would let you know exactly what the file is at quick glance and without having to open the file. Pro tip: if you name your file when you create them, you will not need to go back and rename them later. Once your files are named for easy identification, you can create folders to organize them even further. To start organizing your files and creating folders, click on My Files from the home screen. This screen will show you any folders that you already have created and allow you to create more if needed. To create a new folder, click on the Add New button in the top left corner and select Folder. Give your folder a name and choose a color for that folder. Students often create a main folder for the school year and create subfolders within that main folder for specific subject or classes. If you would like to create subfolders, repeat the same process to add folders while you are inside of the main folder. Pro tip: use the same coloring system for all of your organization systems. Once your folders are created, you can organize your files into them. You can drag and drop your files into the correct folders, or you can right-click on the file and select Move To, and then select the folder that you would like the file to go into. Purposefully naming your files and creating folders to organize your OneDrive will allow you to quickly find files, create an organized location for classwork and notes, and allow you to monitor progress of growth on your personal goals. Some organization reminders are: give your file names a detailed name for easy identification, save your files in your organized folders based on your subjects or classes, rename files that don't have a detailed name into something that will help you identify what it is at a glance. That concludes this episode on organizing your OneDrive by naming files and creating folders. Thanks for joining us on Tiny Takes with Learning Technology.